Good morning, traders. Ala Peters, July 12th. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci System. In front of you, brick wall. In front of you, the end of the minor trend. Intelligent trader knows this well before market open. This is what we discussed with students before market open. This is broker's heaven. This is chop. We're stuck at historical high with worthless sellers. For day trader, this is a problem. For day trader, this is weakness. Intelligent trader demands powerful pullback. Without powerful pullback, market is junk. So when the powerful pullback playing out from historical high, from the bold red line, it's a gift to day trader. This remains junk. This remains chop. Intelligent trader understands what separates junk from power. This is a test you must pass every single day. You have zero interest pulling a trigger randomly. You are not a gambler. You are not trigger-happy cowboy. You only trading power. You are never, ever, ever trading weakness. So this is how simple and pure system is. Bold red line means do not buy. And when the powerful pullback plays out, it's such a stunning news. Because at historical high, Alpha Fibonacci resistance that identifies the end of the minor trend, your only option to short from. What is the problem? Institutions keep buying the markets. Institutions not closing positions. Yesterday, lunch with one of the hedge fund managers. What did he say about markets? It's a grind. It's a crawl. So, when you separate junk from power, you are in excellent shape. This morning, this is a test. You must pass very, very well. If this level is out, this level is next. This level is out, this level is next. All in advance. Never, ever, ever after the fact. This was flawless, July 8th. If you missed the events in the trading room, this was a gift. Institutional point of entry. We are no longer at day trading Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. We are at Alpha Fibonacci brick wall, Alpha Fibonacci resistance. So when you understand what institutions do and you trade with them, you are in excellent shape. This was the market. Let's convert this chart and go back to July 7th. In case you missed the events in the trading room. July 8th. Stunning morning, spectacular. Video posted on YouTube in case you missed that morning in the trading room. This was stunning. This was ultimate day traders' point of entry. This morning it's not. This morning it's chop. This morning it's nasty. Powerful pullback is a key. We're not at support. We are at resistance. We are at brand new historical high. With Alpha Fibonacci System, you know this. Hours, days, weeks, months and years in advance. All depends on the chart you trade. We're stuck in chop. We're stuck at resistance. We need this, not the junk. If you want to attend soccer championships in the world, what a phenomenal game it was. What a spectacular game it was. Italians won. Fibonacci won. If you want to be there, you need to start thinking as top 1% does. So when I have lunch with hedge fund manager, what does he say? There are not many trades in this market, are there? It's a grind. And it can last many, many years. It's a quiet before the storm. And it's in front of you at all times. So how you pass this test will determine your success. Preservation of capital for hedge fund manager is the key. This is the most important moment in your trading. You separate grind and junk from power. When institutions holding positions, you are tested to the core. You have zero interest trading the grind, trading the chop. You have zero interest paying for your broker's Wimbledon tickets. You want to become top 1%. You trade the power. You have zero interest in junk. In order to become top 1%, you must choose quality trades. You are adding the lot size, never ever the number of trades. Market stuck and been here for the last 2 hours. And again, with Alpha Fibonacci System, you knew this well before it played out. So if I convert this chart to 5, this is the market right now. We're stuck. Sellers are weak. I convert this chart to 1, it's a brick wall. There is nothing here to do when price in chop. This is the most important moment in your trading. You are not losing money. You're not paying for your broker's Wimbledon tickets or soccer championship tickets. You want to become top 1%. You need to trade with top 1%, not against them. There are no sellers in the market this morning. In front of you, brand new historical high. Institutions can buy anywhere. Institutions already in significant profit. We are at brick wall. This is a problem. This is a test you must pass every single day. So if you understand the power of this line, you are in excellent shape. Your heart does not skip a beat. You're trading markets as a chess game. Its ultimate weakness with buyers and sellers. Its ultimate grind, which can last many, many months, many, many years. So if you're an intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader, you're dancing on a table, you're passing the test. How simple is a market? When I work with 11-year-old Emma this afternoon, she certainly thinks so. Bold red line means cannot buy. Bold red line means your only option, powerful bearish pullback. That's it. That's the power and purity of the system, each and every day in front of you. We have zero interest in grind. We're only interested in power. Powerful pullback this morning is the key. And that's strategic Alpha Fibonacci System this morning at the market open. So here's a bullish trade with institutions a couple of hours ago. This is what intelligent trader trades. Writing Goldman, BlackRock, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan train. This is intelligent strategic trading. We will discuss this trade with students in class. Precise stop, precise entry, precise targets. There is no surprise where price collapsing from. It reached reversal zone. But this is a junk. We need only power. That's it. So if you manage to take this trade and you manage to pull 4 points from the markets, on one lot $200, on 10 lots $2,000, on 20 lots $4,000. You're only interested in quality. You're only interested trading with Goldman, not against Goldman. Correct? That's it. And you knew this well before it played out. It's a very different trading, here versus here. Powerful pullback this morning is a key. If junk remains, it's not a good news. We're stuck. It's broker's heaven. It's a chop. This was power. This is not. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading. Pretty please. Intelligent trader understands it's a weakness at historical high resistance. And that's stunning, strategic, intelligent trading every single day. That starts with knowing your trading range. We're stuck. We've been here for the last 2 hours. And price can be here for the next 20 hours. For one very clear, simple reason. It's day trading historical high resistance. It's institutional grind. It's a quiet before the storm. This will be a historical event. Intelligent trader prepares very, very well. So shares she traded this morning and did very, very well. Does not require any hand holding. Brilliant intelligent trader, day and position trades. Futures, stocks and options. CEO, killing it on Forex. Stunning. Phenomenal, phenomenal work. Very different instruments, very different backgrounds, very different accounts. But every single successful Alpha Fibonacci trader knows it all starts with this. Avoid the grind, avoid the junk, trade only power. There is no power this morning. It's junk, it's nothing intelligent trader would ever touch. Sue and Theo know this. So what is the difference between you versus institutions? In this room this morning we have hedge fund traders and we have day traders. Hedge fund traders trading someone else's money. Hedge fund traders can afford to buy historical high. Hedge fund traders already in phenomenal profits. If you're a day trader who is trading small account, who is trading your own money, this is the most important part of your trading. Know when not to pay for your broker's Wimbledon tickets. It's the most important part. Do not ever, ever, ever trade the weakness. Trade only power. Phenomenal work. I cannot be more proud. Intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader knows it all starts with this. Avoiding the junk, avoiding the chop, trading only the power. Despite historical high this morning, there is no sellers. We've been stuck at resistance for hours and hours and hours. Intelligent trader knows this resistance is out. We will head higher and higher and higher. But this is a test you must pass every single day. And it doesn't matter what chart you trade. Market stock on every single chart this morning. So this was Apple in 2018 for many, many months. After earnings, Apple had higher. And you know many months in advance what reversal zone will be. Apple stock between these two levels for months. And when Apple's selling off from reversal zone, no one is surprised. This is a reason system traded globally on all instruments. And many, many months in advance you know that Apple will skyrocket from 140. And that's exactly what Apple has done. All identified months in advance. It's exact same level in front of you this morning. Price is stuck. We are no longer at support. We're at historical high, but no one in their clear mind shorting markets this morning. Buyers fully in chart. And that's the power of the system, the power of Alpha Fibonacci software. And that's the power of your key day trading levels. You can trade anything you choose on any instrument. We're monitoring for powerful pullback. Without powerful pullback, nothing here to do. So Joseph, hedge fund manager, I've been working with for the last 7 years. And what does he say? Look at that pink line. Every single time we're at critical levels, Joseph mentions the importance of that pink line. Never gets old, I promise. Steve knew this extremely well on Bitcoin. He exited Bitcoin before the crash. This is Bitcoin when it broke through the bold pink line, heading higher. Many, many months in advance you know where Bitcoin would crash and burn from. You are never, ever, ever buying Bitcoin at reversal zone. You are not clueless gambler, are you? This is a key level when Bitcoin in chop. All plays out in the trading room every single day. Steve knows this extremely well. It's a quiet before the storm. Oops! Bitcoin selling off. Let's look on Bitcoin this morning, shall we? Poor Bitcoin. Crashed and burned from 65,000 until, oops, 28,000 level. It's a junk on Bitcoin. This was exact same bold pink line Bitcoin did not break through, did it? Which shows ultimate bullish weakness. Market is a stepping stone with Alpha Fibonacci System. It's identical level on Bitcoin. Price is stuck in weakness. I'm interested in Bitcoin at 5,000. Intelligent trader knows what to do with Bitcoin. So this was the email from Ken during lockdown. He's trading Bitcoin on his phone using options. But Richard trading S&P. This is intelligent trading. He doubled his demo first and only then he started trading live. Richard right now on vacation. So is Brad after making $10 an hour. On average, 3,500 per day. Do you want to trade Bitcoin or S&P or Apple? It all starts with this. Know when not to gamble. Know when not to be trigger-happy cowboy. For hedge fund manager, preservation of capital is the key. When you start trading with quality, when you stop gambling with your own money, the skies are the limit. It never gets old. If you can do this, everything else is a breeze. So please, obey bold pink line and watch the movie Ken made about his life. It never gets old, I promise. The skies are the limit if you obey the rules. When Kevin started the course, he had few $1,000 account. Next week, in New York, I meet with Fairy Board. I love what I do. It all will be in my book. Because if these students can do it, so can you. But it all starts with this. Obey bold pink line. Do not trade the junk. It's the most important part. So if you want to trade how our incredible intelligent traders do, I look forward working with you. If you are committed to becoming a serious trader, simply join our global community from beginner to hedge fund manager who are trading system on any instrument, any account with traders of all backgrounds. View the movies traders made about their lives, listen to their podcast, and choose from option appropriate for you. Lifetime system for any platform or lifetime software for Ninja 8 and any platform with group course or private mentoring available to you. Live classes, video library modules included. Any questions for me? First, listen to podcast, view students' emails I receive for the last 10 years. Questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Because if these traders can do it, so can you. It all starts with obeying bold pink line and knowing power from weakness.